the Ika. Doon. Another rent place nila, 8 or more persons maybe. So ito yung sa amin. Good for 4 persons. Double deck, just 1 queen size bed. And then, this side, this is for couples. 1 bed. And they also have kitchen. There, the bed, kitchen, kompleto rin ang gamit. They also have their own CR there, and spacious, syempre, yung window, huge window. And we have there dog, si Rocky, and forgot the name. Isang aso, kalimutan ko na. Oh, saya-saya, oh. Super